Hello everyone, welcome. In this lesson we are going to continue working with regular ER verbs in the present tense. We are going to conjugate the verb beber, which means to drink. There is another verb which means to drink, which is tomar, but tomar can have other meanings. For example, tomar el autobús, to take the bus. Beber focuses solely on drinking, the act of drinking liquids. Tomar can mean to drink, but it can have other meanings as well. Okay, so beber, to drink. It's a regular ER verb, which means you have to memorize the ER endings in the present tense. So there's no way around that. Native speakers just memorize this through practice. So once you know your endings for regular ER verbs in the present tense, then you're ready to conjugate. Okay, so we start with the verb beber and we remove the ER and we're left with the root. And at this point, all we have to do is add our ending. So you've memorized the ending o for yo, and we have yo bebo, which means I drink, I do drink, I am drinking. Tú, add your ending. Tú bebes. Usted, él, or ella, bebe. Remember, they all share the same ending, the E ending. So usted bebe, you drink. Él bebe, he drinks. Ella bebe, she drinks. Nosotros, add our ending, emos, bebemos. Nosotros bebemos. Vosotros, add your ending, which is ace. Notice that there's an accent mark on the E. Bebéis. Vosotros bebéis. Ustedes, ellos, or ella. These three subjects also share the same ending, en. Ustedes beben, you drink. Ellos beben, they drink. Ellas beben. They drink, remember, ellas refers to only a group of females. Okay, so now that we have our verb conjugated, let's learn a little bit of vocabulary that we can use with this verb. We have agua, which is water. Juice is either jugo or zumo. Zumo is used in Spain. Jugo elsewhere. Leche, milk. So now the fun part, let's put it all together. If you want to say, I drink water, bebo agua. I drink juice, bebo jugo. If you're in Spain, you would say, bebo zumo. I drink milk, bebo leche. You drink, remember, this is the informal you, the tú. You drink water, bebes agua. You drink juice, bebes jugo. If you're in Spain, bebes zumo. You drink milk, bebes leche. You drink with usted, remember the formal you, the form is bebe, usted bebe. You drink water, usted bebe agua. You drink juice, usted bebe jugo. In Spain, usted bebe zumo. You drink milk, usted bebe leche. He drinks, remember that shares the same form as usted, so he drinks would be él bebe. He drinks water, él bebe agua. He drinks juice, él bebe jugo. In Spain, él bebe zumo. He drinks milk, él bebe leche. She drinks. It's also this form. The subject pronoun is ella, so ella bebe. She drinks water, ella bebe agua. She drinks juice, ella bebe jugo. En España, ella bebe zumo. She drinks milk, ella bebe leche. We drink, bebemos. We drink water, bebemos agua. We drink juice, bebemos jugo o zumo. We drink milk, bebemos leche. You drink, remember this is the informal you in Spain, vosotros or vosotras. Bebéis, bebéis. You drink water, bebéis agua. You drink juice, bebéis zumo. You drink milk, bebéis leche. This last form is shared with ustedes, ellos, and ellas. If I want to say you drink, remember the plural you, ustedes beben. Remember this can be formal or informal in Latin America. In Spain, ustedes is only formal. So you drink water, ustedes beben agua. You drink juice, ustedes beben jugo. In Spain, ustedes beben zumo. You drink milk, ustedes beben leche. They drink, ellos. Ellos beben agua. They drink water. They drink juice. Ellos beben jugo. Or in Spain, ellos beben zumo. They drink milk. Ellos beben leche. If you mean to say they, referring to a group of only females, ellas, so they drink water. Ellas beben agua. They drink juice. Ellas beben jugo. O en España, ellas beben zumo. They drink milk. Ellas beben leche. Okay, well that's it for this lesson. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, I would appreciate it very much if you'd give it a like. And to go on to the next lesson, click on the video that appears here on your screen. See you soon. Hasta pronto.